Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mabel. Welcome back to Mabel's Kitchen TV. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious dinner rolls. Very soft dinner rolls with very simple ingredients. Also called bread rolls or milk bread. So to the ingredients we'll be using for this particular bread roll, we need some flour, self-raising flour. We need some baking soda, baking powder. We'll be using some sugar, a little bit of salt. I also like to add coconut flavor to my bread, and melted butter or vegetable oil is fine. Then we need some skimmed milk. In this case, I'm using evaporated milk, so I already diluted my evaporated milk. So I need a cup of milk. I've diluted the milk and ratio 1:1 with water. That means half cup of evaporated milk with half cup of water. So now I have a cup of milk. Let's get right into it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, leave a comment for me. I love your feedbacks. I love your reviews. Also, don't forget to click the red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.